Today, I want to tell you about the Nissan Virtual Key. The Virtual Key will allow you to ditch your key fob and use only your phone. The Virtual Key will also allow you to share access, grant permissions, and remotely start your vehicle if the vehicle is equipped. If you own more than one Nissan vehicle, you can add multiple vehicles to the app. The key can be shared with up to 7 people, and you can set specific permissions for each user. You can limit and revoke access, create schedules, set expiration times, and also check usage history. Once you purchase your Nissan Virtual Key kit, a Nissan factory-trained technician will need to install the hardware on the vehicle. While they are installing this hardware, you can download the Nissan Virtual Key app. Once you've entered all your information, your Nissan service department will grant you permission to the vehicle. Once that is done, you have full control. Starting the vehicle is as easy as pressing the Enable Start and then pressing your start button like normal. Locking and unlocking the vehicle